Bate. Good morning. I'm sorry for slightly being late.
What did you say?
Because of the network issue in my village, Obama. The network was very epileptic. Like I said, we'll win. Tinubu will win. And he had won.
It's a lie. Why you going to talk like that?
As they sweet us, it depend them.
What?
Some people had become mad. We knew from all calculation permutation, there is no way any one of those who contested the election in good conscience
It's a lie.
will contest the election with Tinubu. They don't have any antecedent.
Come and sit down, sit down there. Sit down.
Can show you pictures of Onisha, an urban slump.
Thunder fire, you dead.
You see, a lot of times I don't dwell on Atiku.
Hey! I beg you, I beg you, so I don't.
Because he had never been a governor. He was a spare tire vice president who does not possess executive power.
God should descend, oh, today God will descend here.
Let us compare Lagos of Tinubu, Lagos that erased Morocco,
You be mumu.
Lagos that created all the beautiful things we are seeing, upgrading Lagos to compete with other cities globally.
Thunder fire you. When government approve primary school for you, where you did, where you not go on that time?
I don't know. You don't know. You're claiming.
This past election, we sat down with, I'm not a member of APC.
It's a lie.
We sat down with APC people. We even gave them opportunities. We provided our services free of charge.
Jesus is Lord.
Obi. I said Obi in my community. Church leaders. The church instructed that everybody should vote for Obi. And Amechi, they came from meeting from Amechi's house. We met and they said everybody should vote for Atiku. So some of us don't want to vote for Atiku. We are voting for Obi instead of Atiku. Since they said we should not vote for Achiwaju, we are going to vote for Obi. I said, thank you very much. I started to call APC leaders. I said, you gave a directives knowing my closeness with Achiwaju for over 30 years.
Arrest him. Arrest him.
And when I was in detention, this man did everything for me.
You are a stupid man.
When I came out of detention, he sponsored my medical bill abroad. And then later on, he sent myself and about 6 people to Hajj.
Will you tell this man to shut his gun?
And because of good luck, we parted ways on the 23rd of December 2010. We are not that close. He was not my enemy. So when he came out to contest election, it is my duty to pay him back.
Thunder fire you.
Nobody will forget where he comes from. I'm a Calabar man. I cannot pretend. It cannot. I'm not just a Calabar man. I'm a major stakeholder in Calabar. I'm an Amakri. And I am Alabe Diabale. I'm a major stakeholder in Calabar. I'm a Amakri and I am Alabe Diabale.
Man, this guy can't brain, I beg.
It's a lie.
So I have nothing against Toyenko, but I feel stabbed. I feel betrayed.
What?
And it will be wrong for me not to acknowledge Wike for standing with me. I know what it means. I fought this fight. If those my enemies, especially P2B, had won the election, if P2B had won the election, he would have used the power of government against me.
Arrest him! Arrest him!
I know him. He's a drug lord. I had COVID twice. Those of you who are COVID denier, it's left for you, but me, I had COVID twice.
Now you talk this in ability, they just fall come.
When these people were two people grandstanding and Wike was talking, they declared Wike wanted. I said, where me I dey? Somebody go live in place, come declare my governor wanted because he be my enemy. No! It never happened. Wike is alive. Whether he gave me one kobo, whether I spoke to him, I went there. I volunteered and went.
Hey, it's a lie.
Went there. And I dealt with them.
Shut up, you know if you do anything.
I did not wait for a weekend. I did not say, oh, because Wike is my enemy, let somebody from another state come to River State. They go Iboso. One of my men go Iboso. Sino Foranga, bigly boy in Iboso.
What?
I'm a Bola Tinubu had won the election. But we have to tell the world how Obi fought through its corrupt nature. Because it's corrupt. It's 100% corrupt.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
Funke.
I beg you, I tell you, I beg you, so don't.
Check the voting pattern. From 1999 to 2019, check the voting pattern in the Southeast. What happened to those PDP members in the South? Did they kill all of them? Where did they go to? The commissioners. The local government chairman, the councillors, the House of Assembly members, the House of Rep members, the senators, and the governors. Did they kill all of them?
I beg, smart in the investment. What do worry you now? Stop that rubbish.
We have several videos of how the election was rigged in the Southeast. Because if elections were held, he will not score the figure that he scored.
You dey craze?
Why you go to talk like that?
Elections were massively rigged in the Southeast.
Hey, it's a lie.
We are going to present them at the court, at the tribunal. I think that he has gone to court. He has never failed. What is giving him mind is small. He has never lost case. Now we don't lose case.
Done.
Thunder fire you.
Jesus.
Obi will win. Tinubu will die. Tinubu will not. Ochibanjo will be given power. Under which constitution? Under what? That Ochibanjo will be given power. They contrived and did everything. We are going to disgrace Tinubu. Let them defeat him in Lagos. Let them defeat him everywhere in his word. So that we will show the world. Their permutations are very clear. Tinubu is a Yoruba Muslim. Northern Muslims will not vote for Tinubu. Good permutation. They are right. They calculated well. He committed political suicide by taking a minority Kanuri man as his running mate. Another deficit. So Hausa, Fulani people will not vote for him. Hausa people will not vote for him. That is another one. That calculation. Okay. The Yoruba Christian Efulefus.
Hey! Jesus! I beg you, I tell you, I beg you, so I don't.
Nama Chobri, Christian pastors, went to their church to preach. Vote for somebody of your religion. I have so many of those videos.
Will you tell this man to shut his gun?
Oh. If Igbos does not have sense, they will never near the presidency of Nigeria.
Under fire.
Even Biafra will never come.
Man, this guy can't brain, I beg. It's a lie.
Because this evil you do, you think others are fools. You are better than all other people.
What?
Will not go down with the Christian. Even if today they hold the election, if Tinubu gave you people this 2 million cow, he will multiply it by 2 again.
Jesus is Lord.
They hold the election again. Tinubu will multiply the cow and give you 4 million cow. Because a lot of people have seen your lies. They've seen that you gave them false hope. You gave false prophecies. I.e. that the Bible says, he who prophesies and the prophecy does not come to pass, that prophet is a false prophet.
If you're not a goat here, then it's you.
The word of the Lord will not return back to him void. You have made using, thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Thou shalt not take the name of thy Lord thy God in vain. You took the name of God in vain. You made proclamation. You think you told people you heard from God when you never heard from him.
70 years old man.
It is Obi that will be in the dock. He will be the defendant in the case. You will see what will happen.
God should descend, oh, today God will descend here.
He knows that he will never win the election. Everybody said it.
Arrest him! Arrest him!
Why don't we like good things? You don't like Lagos.
Thunder fire you.
You don't like Lagos. You can't stay in Anambra.
Jesus! What you talk?
You don't like Lagos. You can't stay in Anambra.
You are a stupid man. I beg, sporting ain't the best. What do you worry you now? Stop that rubbish.